Hi, welcome to this video where I will show you how to add inventory barcode indicator on Shopify product store. So let's get started. First of all, you have to log in into your Shopify store, and then after logging in, from the left menu bar, click on the products button. After clicking the products button, the products page will open. So now you will open the product that says inventory is not tracked. After opening the product page, scroll down towards the variants, and now on the variant, click on the edit button, and now scroll down on the inventory option, and then check mark the track quantity button. After checking it, click on the save button. You can also add the SKU unit or barcode unit here. So that's how you will add inventory barcode indicator on Shopify product store. That's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.